Want to start your own business, but think you need thousands of dollars? Think again. Today, I'm showing you 70 amazing business ideas you can kickstart with just $500 or less. From food hacks to tech gadgets, there's something for everyone, so stick around. Your next business could be one idea away. Tabletop biofireplace production. Tabletop biofireplaces are small decorative fireplaces designed for tables or flat surfaces. They are made using heat-resistant materials that ensure safe indoor use. These fireplaces use clean, non-toxic, odorless biofuel, making them ideal for home decor and light heating. They are popular for modern interiors and gift items. Handmade rug business, Tufting Gun. A tufting gun allows you to create handmade rugs quickly and professionally. You will need a uniform weave fabric, a frame, yarn, and basic tools. Once the design is finished, glue is applied to the back to secure the yarn, followed by trimming and final touches. Finished rugs can be sold on social media or local marketplaces. Cultured stone mold production. Cultured stone molds are used to create artificial stone veneers for decor, landscaping, and construction. These molds are usually made of silicone or polyurethane. They replicate the texture of natural stone and are ideal for small manufacturers or DIY creators. Custom stone pieces are in high demand for homes and gardens. Key making services. A key cutting machine allows you to provide key duplication services of various types and complexities. This business serves individuals, hotels, and small companies. Key making is always in demand and requires minimal space to operate. With proper skills, it can become a steady source of income. Wooden computer case manufacturing. Wooden computer cases are stylish, durable, and lightweight. They also help reduce heat buildup and blend well with home interiors. Birch plywood is commonly used due to its strength and appearance, but other woods like cherry can also be used. This business is ideal for skilled woodworkers. Manicure printer business. A manicure printer allows you to create detailed nail art quickly at home. It uses special gel lacquers and printing technology for clean results. This device saves time and money while offering unlimited design options. It is perfect for home salons or mobile nail services. Power bank vending machine. Power bank vending machines provide portable charging solutions in high-traffic areas such as airports and train stations. They offer convenience for people on the move. These machines can support cashless payments and multiple device types. They are becoming increasingly popular due to smartphone dependency. Popcorn production business. A popcorn machine is an easy way to start a food business. You only need corn kernels, oil, and flavorings to begin. By experimenting with unique flavors, you can attract loyal customers. Popcorn can be sold in parks, theaters, events, or local shops. Laser engraving business. A laser engraving machine allows you to create custom designs, lettering, and artwork. Production costs are low, but selling prices are high due to personalization. You can sell engraved products to friends, online platforms like Etsy, or through social media. Custom items always have strong demand. Badge making business. A badge making machine is affordable and easy to operate. It allows you to create custom badges with unique designs. Badges are fashionable accessories and promotional items. They can be sold online, at events, or through social media channels. Homemade cheese production. Homemade cheese production is a great business for those who enjoy dairy products and artisanal food. With basic equipment such as pots, thermometers, molds, and cultures, you can start producing high-quality cheese at home. You can learn cheese-making techniques through online tutorials and courses. This business is not only profitable but also enjoyable, especially if you sell your products at local markets, to restaurants, or directly to customers. Sausage and egg snack business. Sausage and egg machines allow you to create a unique street food product that stands out from traditional hot dogs. The snack is easy to eat on the go and appeals to customers looking for something new. You can experiment with different sausage types, seasonings, toppings, and flavor combinations such as spicy, sweet, or savory. Creativity in taste and presentation will help you attract repeat customers. Taiyaki, Japanese fish-shaped waffles. Taiyaki is a popular Japanese dessert shaped like a fish and traditionally filled with sweet red bean paste. Its attractive shape makes it eye-catching and perfect for street food businesses. For Western markets, fillings like chocolate, cheese, custard, or ice cream are very popular. With the right location and presentation, taiyaki can quickly become a customer favorite. Corn dog stand. Corn dogs are sausages coated in cornmeal batter and deep-fried, usually served on a stick. They are a popular street food because they are filling, affordable, and easy to prepare. To succeed in this business, you should differentiate yourself with unique flavors, sauces, creative serving styles, or strategic locations. Small changes can make a big difference in attracting customers. Japanese filled pancakes, imagawayaki and dorayaki. Imagawayaki and dorayaki are traditional Japanese desserts filled with sweet or savory ingredients. They are cooked using special pans similar to waffle irons. Modern fillings such as vanilla cream, custard, fruit jams, meats, or vegetables increase their appeal. Offering variety will help your business attract a wider audience. Creative waffle-shaped business. Using waffle irons shaped like bulldogs, bananas, or other creative designs helps your product stand out. Unique shapes immediately catch attention, especially on social media. This business works well at events, food stalls, or cafes. Visually appealing waffles encourage customers to share photos, giving you free marketing. UFO burger business. UFO burgers are a modern street food trend known for their sealed, circular shape. Their unusual appearance attracts curious customers who want to try something different. Beyond the shape, you can customize fillings, sauces, and bread types. This combination of novelty and taste makes UFO burgers a strong option in competitive food markets. Engraver pen services. An engraver pen is a low-cost tool that allows you to engrave text and images on metal, glass, plastic, wood, and more. It is easy to learn and highly versatile. You can offer services for engraving jewelry, knives, souvenirs, trophies, and gifts. The risks are minimal, and demand for personalized products is always strong. Cutting plotter business. A cutting plotter can produce stickers, labels, decals, and signage in various sizes. It is widely used for branding, advertising, and personal customization. You can offer services for car stickers, phone decals, business logos, and promotional materials. With creativity, the number of possible products is almost unlimited. Ice production business. Commercial ice-making machines are affordable and easy to operate. Ice is always in demand by cafes, restaurants, bars, and event organizers. Water is a low-cost raw material, making this a profitable business. Once you secure regular buyers, ice production can become a reliable source of passive income. Drone video shooting services. Drone video services are in high demand for weddings, real estate, sports events, and promotional content. By learning how to control a drone and capture smooth footage, you can offer professional video services to various clients. You can also sell drone footage on stock video platforms or work as a freelancer online. Advanced FPV drones provide even more dynamic shots, allowing you to charge higher prices for premium videos. Children's electric car rental. Children's electric cars are very popular in parks, malls, and recreational areas. Parents often rent these cars to entertain their children during outings. The investment is relatively low, and the demand is consistent. In busy locations, a single car can recover its cost within a few weeks, making this a fast-paying business. Temporary tattoo printing. Temporary tattoo printers allow you to apply detailed designs to the skin within seconds. They use safe, cosmetic-grade ink suitable for all ages. One cartridge can produce hundreds or even thousands of tattoos, keeping operating costs low. This business works especially well at events, festivals, and tourist areas. Oxygen cocktail business. Oxygen cocktails are drinks enriched with a higher concentration of oxygen than normal air. They are popular among people looking to boost energy and improve overall wellness. This business is especially attractive in urban areas with high stress levels. Oxygen cocktails can be sold in gyms, cafes, beauty salons, and wellness centers. Churros production business. Churros are sweet fried pastries that are popular as street food and desserts. The production process is simple and does not require advanced cooking skills. With a semi-automatic churros machine, you can produce consistent quality quickly. Churros can be customized with sugar, chocolate, or flavored fillings to attract more customers. Coffee and dessert food printing. Food printers allow you to print images and designs on coffee, milkshakes, ice cream, and desserts. This adds a premium and personalized touch to regular products. Businesses can charge higher prices for printed drinks and desserts. Even small cafes can compete with larger brands by offering visually appealing products. Smartphone cleaning and repair. Smartphone repair and cleaning services require minimal tools and low investment. Dust removal kits and disassembly tools are inexpensive and easy to find. With online tutorials, you can quickly learn how to repair common phone issues. This business is always in demand due to frequent phone damage and wear. Dye sublimation mug printing. Mug printing using dye sublimation technology allows you to create personalized drinkware. Custom mugs are popular for gifts, promotions, and branding. You can start from home and sell through social media, online stores, or local events. Creative designs and quality printing will help you stand out. Mini building block kits. Using silicone molds and cement, you can create small building block kits for children and adults. These kits allow users to assemble houses, garages, or decorative structures. The production cost is very low, while the selling price is relatively high. This makes it a highly profitable and scalable small manufacturing business. Furniture with pet houses. Furniture combined with built-in pet houses is increasingly popular among pet owners. Items such as bedside tables with pet compartments offer both comfort and practicality. Initial production can be done using basic woodworking tools. With creative designs, this business can attract customers who want stylish yet functional furniture. Candle Mini Factory. Candle making is a timeless business with strong demand, especially during holidays and special occasions. The production process is easy to learn and can be done at home using simple molds. Materials such as paraffin wax, gel wax, wicks, dyes, and fragrances are affordable and widely available. With creative designs and scents, you can sell candles online, at local markets, or to gift shops. Nut and candy glazing business. A nut and candy glazing machine allows you to coat nuts and sweets with chocolate or caramel evenly. The machine is simple to operate and ensures consistent quality. This business produces high-demand snacks that can be sold in shops, at events, or in small packages. With attractive packaging, glazed nuts can become a premium snack product. Food dehydration business. A dehydrator allows you to dry fruits, vegetables, meats, fish, and herbs. Dried foods have a long shelf life and are popular as healthy snacks. You can produce items like fruit chips, beef jerky, or dried berries. This business is easy to scale and works well for online sales or local grocery stores. Perfume bottling and repackaging. Perfume bottling involves buying fragrance in bulk and repackaging it into smaller bottles. After labeling and branding, the product can be sold at a much higher price. Using unique bottle designs increases perceived value. This business is ideal for entrepreneurs with limited budgets and strong branding ideas. Liquid filling machine business. Liquid filling machines are used to fill small containers with perfumes, oils, creams, or shampoos. Even basic machines are affordable and easy to operate. This business allows you to offer filling services or create your own branded products. It is a great option for starting small-scale manufacturing from home. Labeling machine services. Manual labeling machines help apply labels evenly and professionally to bottles and containers. They improve product appearance and branding. With minimal training, you can offer labeling services to small businesses. The low cost of equipment makes this a low-risk business idea. Which of these businesses would you start today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more money-making ideas you can start without breaking the bank. Your future business empire starts now.